Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage shipments in C2W Inventory. Creating a shipment. First, go to Manage Sales Order. Search for the sales order number that is ready for shipping, then click Create Shipment. On the Create Shipment screen, initially, the Items to Ship section will display all open order items that have not been shipped. To display only items that have been picked, select the Picked Items Only checkbox and press the Search button. This will refresh the data displayed in the Items to Ship section. Shipping addresses. The Ship From address is populated from the company profile. If you haven't set up the company profile, please refer to the initial setup guide. The Ship To address is automatically taken from the sales order. Entering shipping information. There are two ways to enter shipping information into the system. 1. Manually enter the carrier and tracking number and hit the Save Shipment button in the Manually Enter Shipping Information section. 2. Use the fully integrated EasyPost shipping service. For more details on setting this up, check out our EasyPost setup guide in the description below. Manage Shipment screen. The Manage Shipment screen allows you to search shipment records by date range. If a shipment was created using the EasyPost shipping service, it can be voided from this screen. Stay tuned for more insights on managing your inventory efficiently with C2W Inventory.